that probably was asked most of all was the one that goes in the middle of that very complex tune written by Freddie called Bohemian Rhapsody. So I thought I'd show you that. I can show you it normal. There we go, something like this. Now you could come in closer and see the fingers. I don't do anything difficult. I'm not the world's greatest expert technical guitar player. I just play how I feel and try to use the guitar as a voice. So come a little closer, okay? And I'll show you that again. So I hope you can see the fingers. I'm going to move this hand up a bit so that you can see it. I wouldn't normally be playing it, plucking it right there. I'd be back here, but maybe you can see when I'm plucking it and when I'm not. You'll notice that I don't hit every note with this hand at all. There's a lot of snapping ons, like, and snapping off, like, where only the first note is hit. And there's a few little twiddles, as you can see, and there's a few bends. Some of the bends start here and get squeezed upwards, and some of them start up and get squeezed down, and maybe both. So I'll show you roughly what this. It's actually, I don't hit any of those except the last note. I'm snapping off, and on again. Yeah, there's no plucking at all going on there. So I hope that's a little bit clearer. If you want to talk about it, send me some notes if you like. But I hope that's I hope that's helpful. That's dealt with that then. Have a very good night and wake up feeling a little hopeful, okay?